Hello friends, today we learn table of 9. So let's start. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 fives are 45. 9 six are 54. 9 six are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. 9 tens are 90. Kids, let's repeat. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 six are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. Bye bye friends. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe my channel.